We'll guide you through how to download and install apps on an HP laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So there are loads of different apps you can get. You can go and get games, productivity apps, work apps, and everything in between. We're going to guide you through this because you may want to go and get a video editing app. You may want to go and get something for your work. Now, there are different ways you can go about this depending upon what type of app and what situation you're currently in. For example, you may go and have a specific app in mind that you want to go and get, or you want to go and browse through different apps you want to go and get. So we're going to guide you through the different options you've got. Without any further ado, let's get into this. So first of all, let's say you've got a specific app in mind you want to go and get. So in that case, we can go and open up Edge. That is the web browser. You can always go and search for it at the bottom. When it goes and opens up, what we can then do is we can go and search for the app we're looking for. So for example, there's an app I want to get called OBS. This allows us to go and record our screen. So I'll type in OBS like so and come to the site. Of course, when you're downloading straight from the manufacturer, things do vary a bit, but in general, go to the top of the page for the manufacturer, make sure it's the official manufacturer and come to download. You can then choose your operating system and I'll click on this one here. And then we can go and get the installer, as you can see. Then it's going to start downloading and you can usually run it from Edge. Otherwise, when it's finished, you can go and open up your file explorer at the bottom, go to the left and you can go and press downloads and you can find OBS Studio. To go and run it, you double click on it and it should then go and start the installer. Usually you'll get some type of security update you can press yes to, and then we can go through the installer. Really straightforward. I've read this before, so I'll press next. You can change the folder if you want, I don't. And then we can go and install it. It's now completed, we can press finish and it's actually going to automatically launch. Alternatively, you can always go and press search at the bottom and you can open it up that way. Now for the second way, which is much better for browsing different apps, and arguably it is easier than downloading them straight from the manufacturer's site. So for this way, you can come to the bottom and you can press search. And what you want to do is go and type in Microsoft Store. This is essentially the store on your computer. So what you can do is you can go and click on it. It'll go and open up and then you can come over to the left and see different categories. I can come to apps and you can then go and scroll through here and go and find the different apps available. You can see there's loads. You've got LinkedIn, Adobe Acrobat Reader, Canva, and many others as well. So you can go and find one you want and you can then go and click on it and you'll find the option for install. When it's finished, you can press open, but when you press search at the bottom, you can go and type it in and find it that way as well.